Where can I study robotics? To study robotics, you have several options that fit different levels of commitment and goals. The field is very multidisciplinary, so you can approach it from different areas. If you're looking for a complete education and a professional career, the best option is a university degree. You won't always find a major called robotics, but you can choose related programs that will give you the foundation you need. You can study robotics or mechatronics engineering. These are the most direct options since mechatronics combines mechanical, electronic, and software engineering. You can also study electrical engineering if you're interested in circuits and sensors, or computer science if you want to focus on the robot's brain, programming, and artificial intelligence. If you don't want a university degree or you already have one and want to specialize, online courses are an excellent alternative. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udemy offer courses and specializations from leading universities and companies. These courses allow you to learn programming languages like Python and C++, or get an introduction to the Robot Operating System, ROS, the standard software for robot control. But to complement your formal education or start from scratch, hands-on practice is fundamental in robotics. You can learn a lot on your own. Start with affordable robotics kits like Arduino or Raspberry Pi. There are so many online tutorials that will guide you to build your first robot. In addition, you can join the great online community. Platforms like Reddit and subreddits like Robotics are excellent for asking questions and sharing projects. You can also join Discord servers to communicate in real time with other enthusiasts, and search for open-source projects on GitHub to collaborate with developers from all over the world. In short, the best place to study robotics is the one that aligns with your interests. Whether it's at a university, through online courses, or by building your own robots, the key is to start creating.